Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to chapter 4 of class 3rd, verbs. What is a verb? A complete sentence is made up of a subject and a predicate. The main word in a predicate is a verb. We can also say that all action words are verbs. Verbs perform different functions. Some verbs show the action of the subject. Second, link the subject to the noun or adjective in the predicate. Third one, work as helping verbs with main verbs. Action words or action verbs tell what the subject of a sentence does. Action can be physical or mental. Let me see. Physical action tell us about an action that can be seen. For example, cry, sleep. Mental action tell us about an action that cannot be seen. For example, forget, think. Linking verbs, also called being verbs, do not show action. Instead, they link or join the subject to a word or words in the predicate. Linking verbs tell us what the subject is or is like. For example of linking verbs, she is a girl, she seems happy. Common linking verbs. Let me see forms of the infinite verbs. To be and to have. To be verbs are is, am, are, was, were, shall be, will be, being, been. And to have verbs are has, have, had. Other linking verbs are look, seem, feel, taste, appear, become, grow, prove, turn, etc. They look like action verbs but are mostly used as linking verbs. Other linking verbs. To check the function of such a verb in a sentence, interchange it with any to be verb. If the meaning stays the same, then it is a linking verb. For example, the perfume smelled divine. The perfume was divine. Linking verbs or being verbs function as helping verbs in some sentences. For example, Ram is writing a letter. So in this sentence, is a helping verb and writing is a main verb. Modal verbs also function as helping verbs. For example, can, may, will, shall, could, might, would, and should. Common helping verbs you can see on the display board. For example, is, am, are, etc. The forms of the to-do verbs do, does, doing, did, done function as main verbs, helping verbs mostly in questions and negative sentences. A helping verb comes before the main verb. A verb phrase may consist of more than one helping verb. And one may have a pronoun or an adverb between the helping and main verbs. For example, does she want something? In this sentence, does is helping verb and want is main verb. Your homework is do practice of this chapter. Goodbye. Have a nice day.